A one, a two, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Life shouldn't have to be so hard. You gotta save that data to your memory card. Life doesn't have to be that way. Morning, noon, and nighttime every day. Life shouldn't have to be so tough. Drive you to cry out, enough is enough. Life isn't supposed to knock you down or emboss your face with a permanent frown. Life doesn't have to be that nuts. You don't gotta take it like a punch in the guts. Life doesn't need to be so cruel. Leave the bullies and the mean girls back at school. Don't wait for life to be complete. Take a breath to reset and it can be real sweet. We aren't here to cry and moan, so please knock on my door or pick up a phone. Some days you can't get out of your bed. You keep them covers pulled up over your head. But there are other days you'll walk in the sun. So share that sunshine smile with everyone. Don't let the fools run you down. Sneak a tickle up the pickle of your inside clown. You can choose to just look away. Wave them right off, you got nothing to say. So open up your heart and sing. Life doesn't always have to be a serious thing. What's past in the past and done. The present is your present, it's for everyone. Hakuna Matata, babe. Please don't worry, be happy. Wonderful world somewhere over that rainbow. Find a way to let that shit go. Admit you're a fool, try to laugh at the show. Peel off that frown and dance. Put some giggle in your wiggle like there's ants in your pants. Don't let jokers crap on your head. If you let them, you ain't never getting out of that bed. There's a sound that can make you smile. Let one go, so we know, and we can all roll in the aisle.